welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the hype beast bartender. And what I got right here, bam! It's that Momoa Mimosa, y'all. Oh yeah. So what makes it the Momoa Mimosa? Bam! The Meili Vodka, y'all. This is Jason Momoa's own vodka right here, y'all. Meili Vodka. If you haven't tried this is very smooth. Using the waters from Montana. You already know it's going to be Ono. So it's only 3 ingredients. Real simple to make. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's go. Pour an ounce in here. Bam. Add your orange juice. You put as much as you like. With the champagne. Oh, yeah. Just fill it up. Oh, yeah. All right, so that's how you make the Momoa Mimosa. Real simple, y'all, and it's delicious. Oh, yeah. So smooth, you don't even really taste the vodka. That's how good it is. So try it out. Let me know what y'all think. To the next video. Oh, yeah.